How to put a white background on Instagram story. Let's get started. Open your Instagram app. Now tap on this plus icon. Tap on camera option. At the left corner, you will find different options. Tap on this option of create. With that, you will find a colorful background. Now you can tap on this circle icon given at the top. Just keep on tapping on it until you find the white background. And after you get the white background, you can tap on this sticker kind of icon. Now scroll down and head towards this picture icon. With that, your gallery will open up. Now from here, you can select the picture that you want to set in your Instagram story. Here, I'm gonna select this one picture. Now you can adjust the position of this picture, and with that you will be good to go. Also, you can add more pictures. If you want to do so, you can again go to this sticker kind of icon, and now you can select the picture. I hope now you guys are clear about how to put a white background on Instagram story. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you.